everyone. Thank you for another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. So today I have a trunk club. Trunk club is a styling service by Nordstrom. Pay them a $25 fee. They send you a box of items. You try them on in the comfort of your own home. Keep what you want, send back what you don't love. Anything you decide to keep, they will charge you for what you keep, and that $25 comes off your price of the products you purchase. I have the Nordstrom credit card. If you have the Nordstrom credit card, I highly recommend you do this service because then your trunks are free. Why not? Get a box of clothes sent to your house, try them on, don't like them, send them back, no cost to you. It's part of the fees that they have. So I'm jumping right into the try-on today because I didn't want this video to last forever. I try and keep my videos around 20 minutes or less. Okay, let's start from the top to the bottom, all right? This is an extra I threw in there. I figured, I got the floppy hat and I kept that from Target. I said, let me try this one. This is the Madewell Cotton and Linen Baseball Hat. It says one size and the color is canvas and it was $29.50. All right, it's just a regular baseball hat. I'm not so sure about this. You guys let me know. I do this other than a floppy hat and one winter hat. I do not own any hats. So let me take it off and come a little closer so you can see it. It is kind of like a muslin, like a canvas. It has the ventilation and adjustable in the back. So let me know. Do you think it looks good on me? And do you think I'm crazy for thinking about spending $30 on a baseball hat? So that's the first item I got, okay? The next item, and I'm going from top to bottom here, are these, let's see, oh, of course I cut it off. They're crawler earrings, and I'll try and list everything that I got below so you can see it. They're cubic zirconia, and I'll show them one of them. I got one here in my ear, all right? They're little cubic zirconias that are climber earrings. And here is the other one. I didn't bother putting it in, okay? These I think I'm gonna keep because they're like $27 and change, all right? So I'm very happy with these. They're cute. They're exactly what I wanted, and it was actually something I requested to my stylist or the stylist team. Okay, next up are my leggings, which are by Sweaty Betty, in a size extra small. They're the Sweaty Betty Power Pocket Workout Legging. And then I also got the matching performance jacket. The leggings are in an extra small, the jacket is in a small, and I'm glad she sized me up to a small in the jacket. Okay, let's start with the leggings. I specifically asked for both leggings with the pockets, because when I go out running, I only have one pair of leggings that has pockets, and a new jacket. The jacket is just like nylon. They're in spandex. There is no lining to it. So for $118, I think I'm gonna pass. Plus I have a glider one that I think is coming in my Stitch Fix, and it's a little bit cheaper, and I think I'd rather try that. And I have a feeling that's probably not lined either, but I wanna try it. This is not lined in any way. I mean, it's a nice jacket. It has a zipper. No pocket, yes, zipper pockets here on the side that are kind of hidden, so zipper pockets. It has the thumb holes, okay, so, I mean, it's a nice jacket, but $118 nice and not lined, The leggings, these are going to be a no. Reason why is there is just one pocket, which is great, but it's triangular shaped. So my phone would only go like halfway down, and that's not good when I run because then it would pop out. So this is definitely a no. I need like a square deep pocket, not this little triangle here. So if you are interested in these leggings and you want pockets, beware, all right? So that is the first of my items. Let me try on the rest of the items. Give me a minute. Next up are the Huston Tapered Cargo Pull-On Crop Pants by Madewell in an extra small for $85. All right. One, I gained a little bit of weight, but two, I was never an extra small. I'm an extra small, not a double extra small. So these are pulling here at my hips, and because they're pulling here at my hips, it's like creating this pucker up here. So not only are they too small, but they're just, because they're too small, they're plain old unflattering. So these are no for that reason. On top of that, there are no as well, because I already have a pair of olive green pull-on pants that I got from like Marshall's last year. I think they're cloth and stone, and I'm happy with those. So I didn't need another pair of olive green pull-on pants. They actually had another pair of pants in there that were too expensive, and they looked awful, and I said no to these, and they replaced them with these. So it wasn't like I said yes to these to begin with. They do have, their cargo size, so they do have the pocket here on the side. Okay, on both sides. They have the drawstring waist, and they are a big elastic waist here on top. Okay, then I also have this, let's see, this is the Everyday Rib Tank by Nordstrom. Oh, and the pants were $85, so for $85, no way. I think I got the ones that I use now for 20 bucks. And then I got the Everyday Nordstrom tank, size extra small, in white, they're saying, but it's white and black stripe for $25. This is a nice tank. It's nice and high on the shoulder, armpit area, which is something I like. Nothing wrong with it, but I have this black and white striped Old Navy t-shirt that I got last summer. And black and white stripe is pretty, like a basic thing, and for $25, I don't need a basic, you know, tank for $25, especially when I already have something similar in a t-shirt. So the tank is going to be a no. I'll show you the back of it, and I'll show you the back of the pants. Now, you know, my butt area, I don't have much down here. It's my hip area that causes the pulling, like right here. All right, so for me, it's not tight in the rear end, it's tight right here. All right, so those are these two items. And what I also have is another pair of earrings. These are, so the other ones, the climbers, were $27.30. These are the 1 carat cubic zirconia earrings for $42. Okay, so I'll come closer so you can see it. I was gonna keep these, but now I changed my mind. I think I'm gonna send them back. I just think they're just too big. I'm looking for something very small. These look to me like they're not real. So now I know I need less than a carat, maybe like half a carat. I had earrings like this, cubic zirconia. They were set in 14 karat gold. My daughter wanted to use them. Naturally, one was lost. So I'm looking to replace those. And they're just simple, teeny tiny little studs that you can't even tell are zirconia because they were so small. So now I know I'm looking for something less than a carat. So if anybody has any ideas where I can find, let me know. All right, so that's 3 more pieces. So for $42, I think I'm returning these, but I will keep the climber ones. So far, the only thing I know I'm keeping are those earrings. Okay, next outfit. Okay, next up are 2 pairs of earrings that I am not even going to try on because they're both way too big and not what I was expecting. The first pair is, what are these called? Curved drop earrings by Open Edit, and they're calling these gray, but they're just silver earrings, and they're only $15. I thought these were studs. So I added them to my thing. They're enormous. Look at, this is my ear, right? This is enormous. This is not a stud. So yeah, these are going back. They're only $15, but they are going back. The next pair is another pair of zirconia studs. And these are just too big and sparkly as well. These are 1 carat stud earrings, 2 sets. They're calling these gray, but really they're, you know, not gray. They're cubic zirconia, and they're $69. Okay. All right. So I am not keeping these either. They're just too big. I'm looking for something very, very delicate and dainty. All right. I kept on the same tank top. Now, there's a story behind these jeans that I'm wearing, all right? Missy from Remaking Missy, and I'll link her channel below. If you check her out, she has lots of styling videos. She does things from everywhere. She got in her thread up box a pair of mother jeans, and they look fantastic on her. Now, I did not request these mother jeans that I'm wearing, okay? But what happened was I requested a nice, affordable, under $100 pair of pistolas. And they came back and said, we're out of the pistolas, so we thought you want these for $228. So I said, are they off their rocker? And I almost hit decline. But I said, let me try with a pair of mother jeans for $228 or like, since Missy got them, you know, but she got them at a much more affordable price in her thread-up box, all right? So here they are, they're the mother jeans. These are the Insider high waist crop step Fray jeans by Mother in blue for $228. You know, it kills me, this high waisted. People say I like high waisted. I like, you know, mid-rise. I like low-rise. You know, there's no such standard. Don't even call them that. There's no such standard. They're calling this a high-rise, and this fits me exactly the same rise as my Vigos would, which are a mid-rise. It comes exactly to my belly button. So if this is what high-rise is, then yes, I like high-rise. I like my pants to come to my belly button, not below it, and not above my belly button. So I don't like even to say I don't like high-rise, because that's a misnomer, all right? So, you know, I knew I was going to love them. You know, you had to know, because $228, I had to see what they were like, see what the hype is about, and naturally, I love them, you know? Am I going to get them? Absolutely not. But I will look for these, you know, if they go on sale and on the secondhand market, etc. Because they're fantastic. But my Vigos are just as fantastic, and they're $68, all right? So I think I can find more affordable jeans, but I do love these. They have like a wider leg stepped hem, okay? So it's not completely tight. Other than that, they're a clean jean, you know, maybe a little bit of fading down here. They're super soft and stretchy. I enjoy them, I like them. I just cannot justify spending $228 on a pair of jeans. But I said, you know, why not? Let me try them on and see what they're like. I was just curious to see what they're like, and I now know what they're like, and I like them. So, no traditional 5-pocket styling, you know. So yeah, I like them. All right, next outfit, give me. Okay, last up is the short and top. And one thing I forgot to tell you is that the mother jeans were a size 25, which is my typical size, except I gained a few pounds and they were a little snug, but they had stretch, so I was able to get them on okay. Whereas these are the same size, these rolled denim boyfriend shorts by Calson in blue. And they're $49. They're huge. I mean, I know they're a boyfriend short, but if you can, like, you know, put your whole arm and body down here and pull them off on you without unbuttoning and unzipping them, that's too big, you know? I mean, I understand boyfriend are supposed to be looser in the leg, and the problem is my weight is in my hips, so they're not looser where I want them to be. They're looser here in the waist, so they're gonna fall off and show my rear end, and that's not attractive. So these are a no. And they were 25, so it goes to show you again, the lack of consistency in any kind of sizing just drives me crazy, as I'm sure it does for everybody else too. They are tacked here, so you could not unroll them. I would say these are a 5-inch inseam. I don't know that for sure, they don't tell you, but based on what I feel that they are, I believe they're 5-inch. Along with that, they gave me this top. It is just a t-shirt. It's the Dip Dye t-shirt in pink for $39, and it's by Vince Camuto. So for Vince Camuto, $39 for a t-shirt is very reasonably priced. And it does feel like 100% cotton. No, it's 65% cotton, 40% polyester. But it is a nice cottony feel to it. You know, pink on the bottom. It has, you know, a little bit of a split here, but not a big one. Little split here. Well, actually, it is a step, so it's a little bit longer in the back, shorter in the front. Okay. Yeah, I mean, it's a cute top. I like it. I would pay $39, but it is not something I would miss if I sent it back. So I think the shorts at the top are going back. I think the only thing I'm going to keep out of this trunk are the climber earrings, because they were a good deal. They're cute, and it was something I requested. You know, I don't think this is a bad trunk. I just didn't feel anything screaming that I had to have it. So don't think I'm like a poo-pooing. They tried to accommodate me. They literally looked at, what I do is I send through the app, I actually send pictures of things that I'm desiring to try. And they did. They sent the items that I was asking for, or similar to what I was asking for. It's just that they just did not work out for me. So I'm not upset. It's just, you know, sometimes you go to the mall and sometimes you come home empty-handed. That's okay. All right, well, if you haven't liked or subscribed, please do. And then click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me. Take care, and until next time.